Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got your footage and Capcut open. Let's begin. First, import the clip into a new project and set the correct aspect ratio so subtitles align. If you have a transcript, load it now to speed things up. Otherwise, choose auto captions next. Make sure audio is clear. Noisy tracks reduce recognition accuracy. Once your clip is on the timeline, scrub to confirm start and end points. Then proceed to the Auto Captions tool to generate the first subtitle draft. Now generate auto captions and select the correct spoken language. Capcut will create time-synced blocks automatically. Once generated, review while playing the video and correct misheard words. Editing improves clarity and searchability. For pacing, split long captions and shift timecodes so lines appear before people finish speaking. To enhance readability, shorten lines to 1 or 2 phrases and ensure 5 to 3 second display per line. Make sure font and size contrast with your background for legibility. Finalize subtitles by styling. Pick a readable font, set size, add outline or shadow, and position away from on-screen action. Decide whether to burn subtitles into video or export an SRT for flexibility. Choose export resolution matching your original. Before exporting, watch the full project to catch timing slips or truncations. If captions jump or misalign, rerun auto captions for that segment or manually drag time handles and retype missed words. One tip: lower background music or use noise reduction to improve future auto caption accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.